friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today is Friendship Friday, so we're going to be making two cards, one that I'm going to send to a friend and one that you can win by commenting on this video. So stay tuned. Everybody. Okay, so we are going to be quickly using the Let's Be Friends card kit from Tula XII. These card kits come with everything you need except adhesive to make 9 cards. So it comes with the cardstock, it comes with the envelopes, comes with double-sided papers already cut. It comes with sentiment stickers, envelope seals, die cuts, and then some extra embellishments, buttons, bows, and I call it bling. And these little white cardstock strips that you can put your sentiment stickers on if you would like. So I'm going to make 2 cards. Again, it's Friendship Friday. So one that I will send to somebody and one that you can win simply by commenting on this video. So hopefully these will inspire you to want to send a friend a card. All right, I haven't used the pink paper yet, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. I like to rip paper and just kind of give it that rustic look, so that's exactly what I am gonna start out by doing. And I like to have my crease lines at the top because sometimes I'll put some bling in them and things like that. So let's go ahead and put this down with our adhesive. And like I said, these kits come with everything you need, so all you need is to have some adhesive. Now, if you have other embellishments on hand, maybe you have the pop-up dots so you can give it a little texture or raise things up a little bit. You can use all of that too, but you can get away with everything you need with just adhesive. And they don't take any time at all, and they come out super, super cute. So now that our paper's down, step 1, easy peasy. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little chick with this. I am gonna put a sentiment on here though, so I don't think I necessarily need to put it on white because I think that this will pop on the pink, but let me just take a peek and see, and it will. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right here. Just gonna put that down right on there. And then we'll go ahead and put our little chick. I think she's a chick. She looks like a chick. She's cute. That's all that matters. And then I am going to go ahead on this one and put a little bit of bling. Oops. Now these come already with adhesive on the back of them, so you just have to peel them off of the paper. And they are ready to stick wherever you like them. All right, so that is card number 1. Super easy, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the envelope seal on the bottom of this. I just like to put them there because I feel like it adds a little bit of something when you open up the card. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, and then our next card, let's go ahead and we're gonna use this beautiful, beautiful sage color. And I am gonna rip it the same way, only I'm gonna do it from the other way, the other side. And this one, I think we're gonna go ahead and leave our crease at the bottom. So let's go ahead and put this down with a little bit of adhesive. Okay, maybe a little bit more than a little bit. I always, always, always use a lot of adhesive. It's just my thing. So if you're watching going, girl, you can use much less. You are 100% correct because you really only need a couple of dabs, but I like to go around the whole piece of paper. That's just my weirdness. All right, so we've got that down. Cute, cute, cute. And I'm gonna use this little chick and I'm gonna actually put her right in the center there. And on this one, I think we are just gonna do a little hello. And I am going to just put this right above here. Let's go ahead and put her on here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then on this one, I'm just gonna add a little button right here in the corner. I just use adhesive to make a spot and then put the button down, and they usually stay pretty well. There is our second card. Let's go ahead and put our seal on the bottom. All right, and that's how easy these are. Easy peasy. So we've got 2 cards here, one that I'll send out, one that I'll give away. Make sure that you comment. You can comment hashtag Friendship Friday. You can just say, hey, Terry, cute cards. You can say whatever you'd like to say. Just be nice. And I will do a drawing on Monday to send one lucky viewer one of these cards. If this inspired you, make sure that you like, subscribe, and share with somebody that might enjoy this also. And if you're interested in our card kits, all the links are below. Have a wonderful night, everybody.